So, we're Team Belarus and we wish each one to find his lucky star in the international sky. Good luck!
Teraz to príde! Teraz to príde! Teraz to príde! Teraz to príde!
So today the participants are wake up and then they have breakfast, and then after that they are moving to Prambanan Hall to have a telescope assembly. So we see what happens in Prambanan Hall today.
Okay, the first one, we need to know each part of this telescope, like the pointer, like the mind tube here, like the lens hood here, and then the focus and eyepiece, and you just build it with a glue. Almost all of the part need a glue, and then you just make the monopod here.
Oh, so this is a stand where it
Yeah,
stands.
this is the monopod made by the bottle, and this telescope is the alt azimuth
I see.
with the alt azimuth mounting here.
So this is like the miniature of the ones that we just used yesterday
Yeah.
in Borobudur Temple.
Yeah.
I'm making a mini telescope. I'm so excited to make a mini telescope because I never make a telescope by myself. The mini telescope is named by Spica.
Okay.
It is called Spica. Okay. And then it used to observe the planet or moon or like that.
No, I'm familiar with a much larger telescope that's actually a stationary telescope. That's the first time that I'm using this one.
Very easy.
Oh, okay. Very easy to prepare.
Yeah.
So how well is the telescope can see?
According to this guide, we can see moons, craters, and some deep sky objects.
This thing can be used to change the coordinates like this. So we can move the telescope like this, and then like this.
Hey, let's go! Para! Thank you!
Hati-hati di Portugal akan datang.
These are more difficult, which is good because last 2 years we had very simple questions.
Some people, they feel with the students, they want to ease these questions for students, and others, they want to make them harder for the students.
When you go to Olympiad, it always happens that some questions are very tough and not everybody will be able to do them.
I don't think anybody's always 100% satisfied, but we've reached a sort of mutual compromise that's reasonably good. I think that's the best we can hope for.
My question is grids against what? Okay, and again.
So it may be very confusing for some students.
And the third circle, inside the third circle, they have 20% marks. Outside, 0.
Well, the leaders try to criticize the content of the problem and try to imagine how the student would carry out the observational task. So we have to be very careful, not only in, of course, writing the concept of the problem, but also imagine how the problem will be implemented.
So those questions are now ready. Shortly the final version will be available to the leaders on the server, and they will be able to download it and translate it for their students.
Hi guys, so this is Ioaa 2015 when they have an observatory of the sky tonight at the Borobudur Temple.
Yeah, I see that loudspeaker right here.
Yep.
They are trying to see something. Which one is the star? Which one is the sky? I think they are really pumped up for the observation.
There are many rapid discussions about what is the constellation happening and what can they see. So they're ready for the test tonight at 9.
And they're gonna rock the test and they're gonna kill it and they're gonna know which constellation is this and they hopefully they can answer all the questions that we prepared.
And hopefully that the sky will support what's going on.
Okay.
Alright then, so stay tuned with Ioaa 2015.
We should sleep very late and wake up very early. We were already really tired, and that was a kind of good break, so we were like happy.
In Borobudur Temple, and I think it took a long time to go there because it's so tired to transport by bus.
No, initially we were a bit more frustrated, but waiting for about around we returned to our room around 12, so it was kind of good. Because we could rest at least.